Iga Swiatek. She has won her fourth Roland Garros title there. What a victory this was. The Polish international there. Absolutely stunning victory there. So straight in for the series separate from mine, and what a sensation as she has made sure she defends her title there. Absolutely sensation. That's it now, wonderful. Yes, Iga Swiatek, she has won a fourth Roland Garros title there. She has beaten Italian Soleni there in the end. At the age of 23, she is tied with Nadal, winning 4 titles there. And what a celebration, what a game. Absolutely wonderful piece of victory this one. So stay tuned for those serious updates from mine, and what a game, what a sensation piece of tournament she had there. Well done, deserve it. So that's it, I'm out of